Hello, everybody. I figured to do another quick update on Major Hurricane Beryl, as a lot of people are probably wondering, where is this major hurricane going to go next? Well, I'm going to answer those questions as well as what has it done in the past, and what is it forecasted to do. I'm going to do that as well as relay some information about fatalities and damages. So let's go ahead and hop straight into it. So right now, Hurricane Beryl is just southwest of Puerto Rico, and it is a Category 4 hurricane with sustained winds of 155 miles per hour and maximum wind gusts of 200 miles per hour. So it's been slowly weakening and is forecasted to slowly weaken, but we really don't know what's going to happen with this thing, really. There is 943 millibars in this storm currently right now, and it is forecasted to go west-northwest towards Jamaica. So here's the GFS model here. So this is basically just telling you what it could happen in the upcoming days. So as we progress the model on forward, it looks like it is going to become of big strength, of great strength in Jamaica. It will make landfall in Jamaica, uh, maybe Cat 3 strength, maybe Cat 4 strength. I really don't know, but it is definitely going to be a major hurricane there in Jamaica. Could cause some catastrophic flooding, a lot of landslides, and a significant amount of damage, which we really don't want to happen, but it's going to happen. As we progress it on, it looks like it'll weaken quite a bit before slamming into the Yucatan area. So that would be near, Cancun, Quintana Roo areas. And then when it does that, it'll probably continue, and then it'll go over the Gulf of Mexico where it'll hit a warm patch of water and immediately strengthen to maybe a Cat 1 or Cat 2 hurricane. Very possibly could be a major hurricane here that will slam into the southern tip of Texas here near the Brownsville area, which would be a worst case scenario for them, as it is forecast to make landfall at 975 millibars, which is around Cat 2 strength or Cat 1. So this will cause massive amounts of damage and flooding. So we really don't want that happening here, but it is forecasted to happen. Remember, this is just a model. Models mess up all the time. They're actually never always right, but they do give an accurate representation of where they go. So it looks like it'll slam into Brownsville around July 7th or so. And then after that, it looks like it'll move on shore, maybe make landfall, maybe at Cat 2 strength, 974 millibars there. So that'd be near Brownsville and the Corpus Christi area there. So that would be really bad. And then it looks like it'll move on to shore, maybe at tropical storm strength and move up. And then it looks like it'll just dissipate right over central Texas. It could only cause a rain problem and maybe some flooding out here in the Dallas area. We really don't know. It's kind of too far out to tell. Now I'm going to relay some information about Hurricane Beryl so far. So far, it also is the earliest forming Cat 5 hurricane in the history of the Atlantic ever. It is the earliest Cat 4 to ever form in the Atlantic ever. And it is also I think, the easternmost hurricane to form in the Atlantic Cat 5 of Cat 4 strength in June. So it's been breaking multiple records, which is unreal. This storm has just defied all odds. It is one of, if not, probably the craziest hurricane I've ever seen. And I've seen Ian, but I've also seen multiple hurricanes that have rapidly intensified, but not as fast as this one. So right now, as I said, it's Category 4 strength. It's a high-end Category 4 with winds of 155 miles per hour and gusts of 200 miles per hour. This storm has caused over 8 deaths so far, as well as 5 missing reports. It has also caused over $1 billion in damages. It caused catastrophic damage on the island of Curaçao, where many structures were damaged or destroyed, and 4 people died in Curaçao as a result of the hurricane. As of July 2nd, a total of 8 fatalities have been confirmed, and preliminary damage estimates are in excess of $1 billion. So they're not even done looking at the damage and all the stuff over here. So there's going to be way more deaths, and there's going to be even more damage to count here. So a absolutely catastrophic hurricane here. This is just a once-in-a-lifetime, hurricane here for people out here. So I just wanted to do that, give a quick update on that storm there. And I will be live tonight as well for a severe weather outbreak. So be sure to look at that one too. All right. See y'all later.